I think you have to speak English. No? Okay, you want to introduce?
Yeah, they are really best guests for us. And he set up a racing kickbox in Iran, and also he work mixed martial arts. Instead of work mixed martial arts, it's my pleasure that they have come to my country.
First of all, I'd like to, lots of new faces to have such a young generation for the martial arts in general. It doesn't matter, any different. The first time, one of the highest ranked martial artists has been coming to Pune. Okay, just help you guys to start to build a nice organization, with a nice foundation, so you can later on, you guys must be the next coach, next champion, or whatever your goal is. Because martial arts starts from any age you like. 3 years old, 70 years old. It doesn't matter. There is no limit. Okay. So we need always to have replace us, the old one, with the new generation, the new fighters. 27 years ago, I was your age, doing a lot of things. Now, I have a gray hair, bald hair. Okay. So we need somebody who can replace us. This flag been in our hand for many years. Okay, we don't want to hand it over to somebody who they don't deserve it. So that means you guys all deserve. That's why we are here. Mr. Ali Ghaffari is the head of Iranian kickboxing, that is WKA type federation, the president. Myself, I'm the CEO of WMMA World Mixed Martial Arts Association, which our mother base is in Canada, British Columbia, Canada. So through our email and website, you guys can contact, ask any question. We have techniques online available for you guys. You can study today. Mr. Ghaffari is going to give you guys any question you guys have about the kickboxing, the new rules and stuff like that, what kind of different styles now is running the show, for example, what's the difference between K1 and Thai kickboxing, all this question and high level practices and so something like that. من باید بخوام من شرمنده باید برم یه سری جلسه دارم ساعت 8 برم اونجا تموم بشه بیام خدمت. For tonight I'm sorry I have to leave because I have another appointment, but it's different category for visiting. This is how what I do as a business, martial arts. But I'm going to have an appointment, so I cannot unfortunately be with you guys. But Mr. Ghaffari is here. Later on, if I have a chance, I come in here. We only work in the weak part, which is the Nevada ground technique. Most of you guys good handles, the tape, good hand, good fight, strong, belt punch, good punch, but weak in the ground technique, which we're going to work on it. But today, only focus on the standing point. Yeah, see you guys there. Oh, right.